Don't throw away your empty toilet freshener hanger. Instead of buying a new one, do this. Quick and cheap. Grate a bar of soap, preferably glycerin soap. It creates a thick, foamy base and dissolves slowly, making the effect last longer. Now, grab some toothpaste. You definitely have it in your bathroom. Toothpaste helps clean and freshen. Squeeze it onto the grated soap. Then add some laundry scent beads for a strong, fresh fragrance. Add a few tablespoons of baking soda, something you always have at home. It neutralizes odors and helps keep the toilet clean. Mix everything well until you get a firm mass. Form small balls and place them inside the empty hanger. You can also press the mixture directly inside. Hang it on the toilet bowl and flush as usual. Your toilet will stay clean, fresh, and pleasantly scented, without spending money on store-bought products. Eco-friendly, budget-friendly, and effective.